Here we go. Okay. So now, for you guys that are new to Grayscale, or are trying to find out more about Grayscale, I'm not a spokesman for Grayscale, and of course, this is no financial advice or anything like that. Okay, guys, just do your own research. This is not financial advice. This is what I'm doing, and I'm just giving you an example of what the Litecoin and BCHG trust could do from Grayscale, potentially. Not saying that it will, but it has the potential to do all this. We're looking at Grayscale Zcash. This is a trust. Okay, this is a trust that's trading right now in the OTC markets. And this is the highest. We're looking at the all-time chart. The highest was up here at, what was that, 30, I can't see without my glasses. I can't read without my glasses. Okay, $37. And it's trading right now at $16. And it was down here trading at about, what was this? $3.59. It went down, at one point it went down to $2.80. So it was, $2.80. And a few months later, it's trading up here at almost $17. I think it's, $16.40 today. You see how fast this rises? Coming up here to this all-time high, it's pretty easy. All it takes is a couple days to reach this. 2, 3, 4 days or so, maybe a week to reach this. And given the amount of Bitcoin that has risen over the 2021 bull run that we had, it's between 4 and 6 times more than perhaps this amount here. That's how I look at it. This is what I do, and this is how I look at these things. Nobody else does this, okay? Nobody else is going to give you this kind of information. This is unique to this channel, unique to me. And now you get a little insight of how I do things, okay? So if this is the highest here, it has a potential of going 1, 2, 3, 4 times higher, which would put it at... let's see, this is the highest here was, let's see, sorry, I don't have, okay, $40, it says. Now, this is the inception amount. Of course, it drops after inception, but that's how much somebody paid at one time. So if it's at $40, that would put it, it would put it right about here. The 37, 38, 39, 40, $40, and it could gain 1, 2, 3, 4 times minimum. So let's say 4 times 40, it's 160. So Zcash could go to $160. The way I see it, okay, the way I see it, the way I see things. This is the real, this is I don't want to say real, but this is a potential that could. This is a potential here that should, and this is a potential all the way over here that could go up as high as $160 for now, anyways. And we're not done. We're not done with this bull run yet. And we're not done with whatever's coming 5 years from now. So if you hold on to this one that's going to be worth $160, I mean, that's a lot of money. A little amount of money, $1,000. Let's say if you buy it down here, or here, or here. $1,000 can turn into quite a bit. Now, we're looking at Bitcoin Cash now. This is Bitcoin Cash. This is the Grayscale Bitcoin Cash OTC Market Trust. right now it's a trust, probably going to be converted. How fast, who knows? But it doesn't, to me, it doesn't matter. Okay. This is what matters to me down here, these numbers. The past is what matters to me, because the past was, it's not a market that's going down, although it's down like crazy down here. Cryptocurrency tends to go up more and more. There's more influx of money coming into cryptocurrency. So this may be just a dip where it should be, should be a lot higher. Okay, so here we have the highest was Bitcoin Cash, $30.50. We're at the moment, let's see, we're at the moment $4.04. So we have a lot to climb to get to this part here. Now, let's say you bought it at the lowest. Well, 37 cents, that's nice. 83 cents, that's nice. Even if you bought it today at $4, and what is it? $4.04. The potential is for it to go to 60. It should go to 60. Probably go to 240. From $40. Let's see. Wait a minute. I'm forgetting my numbers. Okay, 30.50. It could go to 120. Given if this continues going up. Okay, let me move the chart down because it's not centered. Okay, so if we buy into it, it could go up to 30, even though it's $4 right now, which is a nice return. $1,000 could turn into quite a bit. And from here, it has the chance of going 4 times because of all the influx of money that's coming to Bitcoin. Remember, right now, Bitcoin's kind of going sideways lately, where the altcoins are beginning to move up, especially like today. About 3 weeks ago, they started moving up also. So it's a sign that they're probably on the move like the last bull cycle. So you buy here and possibly sell up here if perhaps, or maybe if you keep it for even long term, the sky's the limit. I mean, the sky's the limit.
The sky's the limit.
This is the possibility of Bitcoin Cash. And Bitcoin Cash on top of it is probably going to be in the top 10 sooner than you think, sooner than you know, because it's an old coin and it's well maintained and it's a mover. It's gonna be up there. It's fast transactions and so forth. The site is nice. Where Bitcoin is just kind of slugging, just kicking the can down the road, so to speak. It's sluggish. It's slow. It's expensive. The other one. Let's go to Litecoin. Okay, this is a Grayscale Litecoin. We're looking at this is another one that's on the OTC market as a trust. Same like Zcash. Chance to be an ETF, yeah, but I don't think it's going to make any difference anytime soon. I think especially, I tend to think, and no financial advice here, that it's better to have this now to buy it than to buy it when it's converted to an ETF. How the prices are going to be affected, I really don't know. But this should be like this should be shooting up here right now. I kind of think, my opinion, but I don't know. I don't know anything. I just sit in a room making videos. I mean, I'm older. I got a lot of experience, and I've seen this stuff move. Crypto's kind of new, but I've been around crypto for several years now. 2000, I don't know, 17 or so, when I started mining and so forth. So I got some years under my belt, so to speak. Okay, so from right now it's trading at $8.23. We buy it here. It has the potential to reach this spot over here, which is $510. You see what I'm saying? Comparing this to Zcash. From $8, it has a chance to go to $500, right? And then, because this is 2025 and there's a lot more money in, it has a potential of going 1, 2, 3, 4 times more than $500. That would put it at jeez, what was I doing? Okay, 5 times 4. That would put it at $2,000. And Litecoin is Litecoin. I mean, it's got the name. It's got BCHG. It's got the name. It's not an unknown currency. It's if anybody who's into crypto, they know what Litecoin is. They know what Bitcoin Cash is. They know what Monero, Dash, a lot of these coins are, Ethereum and so forth. But I really don't believe in Ethereum. But anyways, that's another thing for another day. So you see, it could the possibility of going here. It's pretty good looking at Bitcoin Zcash. I'm sorry, from $8, it's up here according to Zcash. If it was Zcash, that would make it $330 or so, and it has the potential, to reach this spot. Times 4, so you're looking at 2,000. So from $8 to 2,000. I mean, that's really life-changing money right there. I mean, really, really life-changing money. Not just $1 million or $2 million, but probably more, depending how much you got. Now, this is a chance, and we're looking at Zcash, that's what we're aiming for. That's what we're aiming for, guys. Dash is not a trust, but I've shown you the charts before. I talked about Dash several times before, and how the potential on Dash could be just phenomenal. Same thing with others, but this is a comparison that I kind of wanted to make today. It's we're looking at Zcash right now, just breaking out, and is this going to happen to Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash? Yeah. The best thing you can do is just try, leave it there, see what happens. Let's see what happens in the next few years. It could be could be fantastic returns. I got my microphone back. The other video sounded kind of, I don't know, weird. So anyways, it's early morning. Well, it's late morning right now. What's going on with the markets? It's pretty much same than it was before. But we're working hard here. We're doing our job and trying to get this stuff going, and just showing you what Grayscale and Zcash is, and what perhaps Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash can also do, and some of the other ones too, like Filecoin or FileG, and there's others. Yeah, I've talked about several of them. I haven't talked about LivePeer much, or GBAT, because I don't have any of them, but I think I've made a couple of videos about them also. Just look at the potential. What I showed you in the chart, that's what could happen with cryptocurrency. This is not going to happen with stocks. It's not going to happen with gold. It's not going to happen with... It would happen with gold if you invest over 100 years, okay? This, you can invest, and in a year, 2 years, maybe you can have a tremendous return. Now, again, no financial advice here. I could be wrong. Maybe all of a sudden, crypto market, there's something new out there. Better than crypto coins, and there probably is. There probably is. No guarantees or anything, guys. So do your due diligence, and this is it's an exciting time to be looking at stuff like this. Before it happens, and I mean it's exciting to watch Zcash. I bought it on a whim, really, without really looking into it. Now that I see it, it's like, yeah, I think when I bought it, I look at the chart. Yeah, it looks like a good buy. I think I'll put it in here. I made money before with cryptocurrency. I'll probably do it again, and the money deserves to be with cryptocurrency, I guess. I don't know. That's the way the ether works. That's how fate works. That's how money goes around, markets go around, and hold on, and don't invest in stupid shit like meme coins that smart contract meme coins and bullshit like though. There's a few that are good, like Dogecoin. It's got its own blockchain though. I don't know. I don't know about the other ones like Shiba Inu. I don't know about it. I really don't. I think it's an offshoot of Ethereum, but I'm not sure. I don't believe in them. I used to trade ApeCoin. I wouldn't buy it. I just traded it, day-to-day basis, hour to hour. It was fun. It kept you busy. But, I never made money. I never lost money on that one that I can remember. It was just fun. But that's trading. This is long-term investing, which is a totally different animal. Take care, guys.
The sky's the limit. Isn't it? I think the sky is the limit. Be seeing you. I hope.